Hello everyone, good evening. I wanted to do something different today. I wanted to show everyone the unboxing on the Ninja Lux Cafe Pro series machine. I ordered a new coffee machine. I have a Breville Barista, but this is like something that makes it simpler. I believe it's like a semi-automatic, I guess, machine you would call it. It doesn't have any guesswork when you make espresso. It does a balanced drip coffee. It does a cold brew as well. And it also has an Americano mode and a ristretto mode on it. And it has a dual frothing system as well. Um, it has a self tamper, and it also froths the milk by itself. And it also has a frothing disc whisk inside that helps you froth your milk for it can come out nice and creamy. Let's unbox it now. I ordered this machine through Ninja. I ordered this as a Christmas gift for me. It's a really nice looking machine. I've been watching a lot of reviews on it on YouTube and how to use it and stuff. The machine comes with the quick start guide. The quick start guide for the machine. And a cookbook on how to make coffees and stuff like that as well. This is the Ninja Lux Cafe starter kit, the Pro Series starter kit. Just a little metal grate that you could put on 1, 2, depending on the height of your coffee cup. I hope this machine fits where I want to put it. Let me put it on the floor, right? And then pull the machine out for us. Okay. A really nice looking machine. I was gonna order the they had like a green and bronze version, but I thought let me not order that because maybe the gold tone to it eventually will probably like wear off. So I thought let me just order the regular chrome one that everyone, that's the most typical, and I think it matches my kitchen much better too as well. Moving the tapes now. Here. We got some glue on there. You can always stick the tape back on it. The glue should come off. There we go. This is a frothing pitcher. It's a really nice looking machine. And the water tank comes off. The water tank on the unit. Uh-oh. Let's see what the Pro Kit brings. I don't see no harm in plugging it in to set it up. So I'm planning to put it. get stuck, maybe because it's cold. I'm gonna rinse the water tank. Have some more tape here. There's a lot of tape. I guess for during shipping, so it won't get damaged. Sorry, my kitchen is small. I'm gonna wash all these things. See the mixer, it's in there. It's like a frothing device. Does it come off? Yeah, it does. It does come off for cleaning. It goes right in that little part in the middle. It's like a little thing there that holds it. I saw some videos. I don't know if it comes with the this wand is like a thicker wand. It's a more insulated type of wand and it's easier to clean. It has a hole here for you to purge the machine as well. Looks really nice. I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna open up this kit. I think there's like a, I don't know if it comes with the filter. It comes with a cleaning kit for you to clean the machine. This is the portafilter on the unit. I'm gonna wash that as well. Just gonna put it on just for aesthetic purposes. This is the single brew, and this is the 4 brew one. It also comes with that one inside already pre-installed. These go here for you to store. I'm gonna take the tape off. It's the little form like that. It's a really nice looking machine. I got it on ninja.com and I got 20% off on the machine too with code SAVE for Christmas. Put this little guy here. I'm gonna see if I put something, that way I don't scratch it. I'll order some silicone cup protectors. For now, we'll put something like that for now, so we don't scratch the unit. Goes like this. Then it doesn't come with that filter thing that I saw. I'm gonna rinse it out. I had to change my filter. The red light went on yesterday. I had filters for the unit. Here. I'll change it later. I'll put it there as a reminder. You remove the hopper by turning. That's the hopper. I bought some nice coffee beans to use. I usually use the Lavazza Super Crema. I use that for my long Americano coffee. I bought Illy Classical Roast coffee to try on the machine. Tank is almost full. Okay. I should rinse this out, right? So rinse out the tank. Like I said, it has accessory storage. The power button is here. It has a clean function. It also has a purge function to purge the frothing wand once you finish using it to froth milk. I ordered something on Amazon too for it. It's like a rubber thing that goes on the top. I could try to take care of it and not scratch the unit. It's made specifically for that type of machine. It's like a silicone type of cover. While that fills, we can add beans in the hopper. It's almost done. It's full. And it goes like this. It goes the other way. Uh-oh. Okay. And then the hopper. We had to put the hopper first. Uh-oh. Putting the beans in the hopper. Wow, these beans smell really good. There we go, that's how the beans look. Rinse this portafilter. Let's try it up. This machine also heats up the portafilter. Let's hit the power button. Coming up this water from the floor. It's a really nice machine. Looks really nice. I had a container here to put the beans in. Airtight container. This container is I think I got this at the Container Store. I think it was Bed Bath Beyond actually. I miss Bed Bath Beyond. That was a cool store. And the one over here where I live, you were able to taste coffees and stuff. Let's do a little espresso just to see how it works. Start brew. Install hopper. I believe I forgot to turn. It says recommended 24. I don't know how to change that. 23 it says to set it to. Let's see how it comes out. Let's see. Go like this. My hopper's still cold. Now let's just do this just to see what happens. Start grind. Wait, it says recommended 18 now. Okay, let's start the grind. It's pretty quiet. It's not that loud. The machine's not that loud. That's pretty cool. I live alone anyway. It's just me and George. The cover on the unit to protect it. Okay, it says it's ready. You tamp. 1 and then 2. Pull it out. See how this comes out. Good shot takes, I think, like 9 seconds. I'm not gonna drink the first shot because we just put the machine together. I'm trying to see how the shot looks coming out. It's supposed to come out like a mouse tail. It's not coming out like that. We also bought this accessory for the machine. It's a knock box made by Ninja specifically for the machine. Okay, you gotta line it up and then turn it to lock it. Put it up there. That's how the shot looks. Got a little crema on there. I'm not gonna drink that because that's the shot right there. Got a little wet. The machine is saying now that the recommended setting is 21. Let's go ahead and do it under 21. I don't know how to use this machine. I'm just learning now how to use this machine. It just came. I just thought let's play around with it. It says the recommended right now is 21. Let's see what happens. too. Let's tamp now. Clean the top. Lock it in. Hopefully we get a better shot now. The machine's supposed to have lights down here. I don't know how to do the lights. Let's see how it comes out now. Looks really cool, right? That's too loose. Look at that mess it's making. That's very runny. I gotta keep messing with the tamp on it. Well, that's my startup video on the machine. Right now I'm using the Nespresso. I use the Nespresso now. And I also use this for my long coffees. I use the DeLonghi. And that's George right there. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day, everyone. I'll let you know how it goes. Bye.